All it needs is a strap. Well, here we are. We're going to put straps on our newly finished backpack, and the straps are a simple affair, but very useful, strong, and durable. So it's just basically a belt around the top. It's tied in the back, in the front here, and your two straps come off, and they go down to the anchor point, which is the rawhide that comes down through the bottom of the pack. Only need a piece like that, which is convenient because that's the leftover from stitching up the sides. One end is rat-tailed down to a point, and I'm going to stick that through the first hole here. Should try and find it there. Aha. And pull it up to where I can get a hold of it, just to tie a knot in the end. And I'm doing that figure 8 knot we used earlier. I've got a good knobby knot here. Pull it right up tight to the double check, make sure you are. And then with the trusty dusty needle, I'm going to pull this almost all the way up, though it's not going to stay like that. You'll see in a minute. Pull that up tight, back up. I'm going to pull it all the way up tight temporarily. And that's only so I can get in here, and I can't get both arms in there at the same time.
So you're not tying a knot with one hand.
Yeah, it takes a little practice, but there it is. I got my figure 8. And then that up. Try to share the wealth. That does it. That will be lovely. Okay, so these will be our anchors. So I'm going to use a straight edge. When you're cutting the leather, it likes to slide around on you and stuff and do mean things. So I'm going to clamp it there. The strap, I'm going to start off with it at 2 inches wide, which is the width of this straight edge. That should hold it good. Straight edge in long enough. Yeah. Okay, so to taper it, I'm just going to use this straight edge again. And I'm going to clamp it again. Those are good. You can set them aside. What we need now is a strap for the belt part. So I've got the strap cut. This is the belt for around the pack, and I hate cutting material off. You never know what you're going to use it for in later dates, so I'm going to leave it long, but I am going to taper it down on the ends because it helps in tying the knots, and it looks better. Squaring off this one. If you have it on the end grain, it cuts nice. Punched 4 holes, so I'll roll it over like that and be able to stitch through it. I'm gonna do it all in the same cord. And this will keep it from spreading as you're wearing it. So, ta-da. Now, take this, our new belt, and I'm going to thread her through. So we're going to set them on like that. Around to the front. Basically it in a nutshell there. These are secure in place. I'll come down here. Very simple. Basically makes a square knot. Simple as it gets. We're ready.
Thanks.
That'll do it.